In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Xlookup function in Microsoft Excel. Xlookup is a powerful, modern replacement for older lookup functions. It searches for a value in one column or row and returns the matching value from another column or row, even if that return column is to the left. It's simpler to write, more flexible, and usually easier to troubleshoot. Start by opening your Excel file that contains the data you want to search. Make sure your data is organized in clear columns and that the items you plan to look up match exactly. Spelling, spacing, and data type matter for accurate results. Click the cell where you want the lookup result to appear. This is the destination for the formula's answer, so pick a spot that makes sense for your worksheet layout. Begin typing the function so Excel highlights it. Type Xlookup and you should see. Excel suggests the function. That's your cue that you're using the correct one and ready to fill in the arguments. Now enter the full formula and confirm it. Type Xlookup B9, B3, B5, G3, G5, and press enter. Here's what each part means. B9 is the value you want to find, often called the lookup value. B3 to B5 is the range where Excel will search for that value, known as the lookup array. G3 to G5 is the range that contains the answer you want returned, called the return array. Those two ranges should align. They need to be the same height for vertical lookups or the same width for horizontal ones. So each position matches correctly. By default, Xlookup performs an exact match, which means it returns a result only when it finds the lookup value precisely in the lookup range. If everything is set up properly, pressing enter will return the matching value from the return range. That's it. Your lookup is done. A quick tip. If you plan to copy the formula down or across, lock your ranges with $signs, like B3, B5, and G3, G5, so the references don't shift. If you see an error such as hatched NA, double check that the value in B9 truly exists in B3, B5, and that there aren't extra spaces or mismatched formats. You can also expand the ranges if your data grows. You've just used Xlookup to pull the exact information you need with a clean, readable formula. Once you're comfortable with this basic pattern, you can reuse it across your workbook to make your spreadsheets faster, smarter, and more reliable. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if this helped you level up your skills.